Welcome to another episode of Amori by Palashabni Studios. Today, we take you to a place where flavor meets passion and every bite includes celebration. Yes, we are at Kai Bore. And Kai Bore literally in Kokni means wow, so good. And exactly that is what your taste buds are going to make you feel when you are at this restaurant. So located on the Kolva Marga road and run by a dynamic duo, Saili and Dinraj, this place literally delves into good food, fun and feast. Saili and Dinraj, who swapped their engineering and corporate life out of the love for food to transform this place, and that is why this place is just more than a restaurant. It's a story of love, bold dreams that have come true, and definitely an incredibly good food. So let's meet Saili and Dinraj. Saili and Dinraj, welcome to this show.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thanks Yoga.
तुमकां दोगांकूय आमच्या आमोरीच्या एपिसोडात मनाकाळजांतल्यान येवकार.
देव बरें करूं.
So from codes to cooking and kitchen, and from your engineering degree and corporate life to opening up this incredible restaurant, तुमची जर्नी कशी आशिल्ली?
Food has been always our love language. So पयलींच्यानूच it was like our hobby to go out right from college days. So lunch breakak खंय खंय वचून explore करप, new restaurants try करप, though there were limited options in Ponda. पूण आमी खूब अशें स्कुटरीर वचप, in that 45 minutes try to squeeze out the time आनी वचून explore करून येवप. So that has always been सामकें passionately we used to follow that. And that kept growing over time. Then it started with a food blogging page. Soon after our engineering आमी food blogging सुरू केलें. मागीर Bangalore, because of our corporate jobs आमी Bangalore आशिल्ली. Bangalore explore करपाक लागली. नवे dishes, नवे cafes, joints. Whenever we are going to a restaurant, who gets to decide what we are ordering? So ताजेर सुद्दां आमचें it is never like okay chal you choose. It's always we have our
couples be एकामेकाक खावयता आमी अशें झगडून खाता.
So that has Magir slowly during COVID time now the blogging journey slowly faded down during COVID because we couldn't go out much. आणि तेन्ना we were still exploring की म्हणजे in Goa cloud kitchen कशें चलतलें because तेन्ना food delivery was a only source of where you could order food and eat. So भायर वचपाचें खूब कमी जाल्लें आनी that's when we thought की okay एक आतां cloud kitchen सुरू करपाक जाता. And one of my relative had a brand, established a brand of her own. So tenna magir we actually ventured into this food business, food as a business. Earlier it was just food as passion or hobby. So magir when
COVID both of us were working from home. And for some reason आमचे म्हजें बी पणजे फ्रिक्वेंट करप चड जातालें आनी टिफिन फॅक्टरी जो ब्रँड आसा so that was in Panje. From the first time I tried it, the concept खूब आवडिल्लो आनी तेन्ना इतलें नाशिल्लें.
Bangalore आमी खूब असले combo boxes. We were very used to that concept when we were staying in Bangalore. So we wished something like this should exist in Goa.
So तशें सुद्दां गोंयांत सुद्दां आयलें we knew की Goan flavors अशें easily मेळपाना, but this was something like काफ्रियल आनी पुलाव तुका मेळटा in a combo.
Having like a full-fledged dine-in restaurant was always like a far-fetched dream kashe. So every time we would go out Sudha for dinners, we would always discuss ki one day can my restaurant one day when we have a restaurant ami ashe kartali, or one day when we have a restaurant ami he doriya naka. So these conversations would just slowly add up to our
luckily they have materialized now and
ते कशें म्हणटात की I remember बचपन से ही शादी करने का बहुत शौक था म्हणटात पळय. So when so जेन्ना तशें this opportunity it actually kind of knocked on our doors and that we could start. We didn't have to start everything from scratch, but we had to build on something which was existing. मातशें nervousness आशिल्लो फाटी फुडें की जातलें जावपाना आमच्यान. It was the whole ball game was way different from a cloud kitchen. But luckily मागीर म्हणलें चल हें आमकां पयलींच्यान आसा पयलींच्यान दिसतालें की आतां टुडे इज दॅट वन फायन डे हॅज
So
फायनली
that dream has definitely come true for you all
Yes,
of starting your
definitely.
own dine-in kitchen.
रेस्टॉरंट एक्झॅक्टली.
But trekking back to the days you said ki COVIDan chad options nashile and all. And then did you all try something at home and who was the head chef at home? तुमच्यामध्ये कोण हेड शेफ घरा आणि घरा कोण बऱ्यो गजाली ट्राय करता किंवा डिझास्टर जाता हाजे बद्दल कितें मेमरी तुम्ही सांगू शकता?
सो कोविडा टायमार आमच्या दोगां भितर डेफिनेटली सायली इज द बेटर कूक आनी ती खूब बरें रांदता. कोविडान आमी घरा आशिल्ली विथ आवर पेरंट्स आनीक घरा आसतना मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स लायक आमी कामान आसताली सो घरचें मेन सगळें जेवण आसता तें मम्मा करताली, म्हजी मम्मी करताली. बट एक्सपेरिमेंट जे सगळे आसा ते आमी करताली, सो तशें जातालें.
सो इवन नाव दॅट वी आर शिफ्टेड आर बेजीस टू मडगांव, पयलीं आमी काणकोण रावताली. नाव ऑल्सो कितें अशें नवें फॅन्सी कितें रांदपाचें आसा जाल्यार दिनराज इज व्हेरी एक्सायटेड अबाउट डुईंग समथींग व्हेरी फॅन्सी. केन्नाच करूं नाशिल्लें तशें. रिजॉटो, आय रिमेंबर ही वन्स कुक्ड अप मेड रिजॉटो अशें. बट वेन इट कम्स टू लायक नॉर्मल एवरीडे कुकींग
शीत हुमण
ते दॅट इज माय
फोर्टे.
Okay. And when you all decided to come into this food business or especially this dine-in, so how did you all decide what type of a restaurant you all want to open or what type of food that you all want to give to the customers?
एक कशें आसा की आमकां एक जनरल सेन्स आसता की बाबा मडगांवान आमी बिकॉज रावतात की गॅप खंय आसा. आनी दुसरी गोश्ट कितें आसा की आमचे म्हणजे lot of people ask us what is your menu, so the simple one line answer is ki our menu or our cuisine is a reflection of us. So we both of us are Goan, so there is a lot of Goan as part of our restaurant. We have been around, we have traveled around, we've put things that we love to eat and we know will suit the palate of Madgaonkars and Goankar basically. And yeah, so far like there were a lot of experiments because if you read our menu जे स्टँडर्ड डिशीज आसा त्यो आसाच, बट देर आर लॉट ऑफ डिशीज जाचे नेम्स यू विल नॉट फायंड इन अदर. मागीर ते नांवां सुद्दां आमकां फायंड आवट करपा ऑर टू नेम दॅट डीश इट वॉज अ टास्क. सो खुबशे गोश्टी अशे आसा जातून म्हणजे जे आमकां खबर आशिल्लें की आमकां अशें जाय. देन वी वर्क विथ आवर शेफ्स की टोल्ड देम आमचे कॉन्सेप्ट सुद्दां तांणी करून दाखयलो. दॅट इज अनदर ग्रेट थिंग.
सो डिशीज हॅव गॉन थ्रू आयट्रेशन्स. Cuisine as per se एक काय म्हणपाक there is no particular cuisine, but you have kept it a mix of cuisines which are very close to us and also what would suit
So we have
in
Goan,
Madgaon.
we have bit of continental, we have Chinese, Asian, so it's a mix and it has everything. It has something for everyone basically.
Yeah.
So if कोण diet conscious आसा, we have some dishes that are suited for them. एक जाका प्रॉपर नुस्तें खावपा जाय, शीत हुमण खावपा जाय, सो डिशीज फॉर देम, चायनीज. सो बेसिकली समथींग दॅट येवन खावन काय बरें जेवण म्हणून वचपा सारकें.
डेफिनेटली. सो ते म्हणल्या प्रमाणे तुम्ही विच इज दॅट वन डीश जातून तुमकां खूब थॉट घालचे पडले टू नेम इट, ऑर कॅन यू ऑल गिव आवर ऑडियन्स एन एक्झाम्पल? Just like you all said, you all had to put in a lot of thought process even to name a dish. So what is that one example?
Okay. आता पुढची कशी दिसतली
that we have not introduced yet.
हय. अजून आनी एक मेन्यू रिविजन्स वी आर वर्किंग ऑन रायट नाव. सो तातूंत खुबश्यो डिशीज आसा विच आर येट टू कम विच वी हॅव नॉट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. बट इन द फर्स्ट रिविजन
So firecracker chicken.
yes.
So firecracker chicken is one dish. म्हणजे आमी we have had it in Bangalore and that's the kind of dish we liked a lot. It is कशें, it is crispy, spicy,
kind of sweet.
Kind of sweet. So it's a mixture of everything. So the moment you take the first bite, there is crunch, there is spice, there is everything. So what can we call it? So and it is again red in color, so it's like an explosion of flavor.
It
so
also has a tadka of dry red chilies on top, which gives it that mashe burnt, not burnt exactly, like roasted dry red chilies, which gives it like a very ड्राय स्पायस टेस्ट. सो मागीर आमी ताका कितें नांव दिवचें, दॅट वॉज लायक अ बीग स्टोरी. अल्टिमेटली केम अप विथ फायरक्रॅकर चिकन. तशेंच
Yeah. So
another dish we wanted to introduce was like a butter garlic version of chicken, and not white in color but which is yellowish in color.
So basically आम्ही when we were dating also आमचे कॉलेजीन बर्थडे ट्रीट्स जाताल्यो. So I remember ह्याच कोलवा रोडारूच there used to be a restaurant called Amori, and they used to serve a version. They used to call it majestic chicken. And now also there are few restaurants who are serving. But आमच्याकडे रेसिपी ना. So we explained to the chef की आमकां from our memory or from here की आमकां अशी टेस्ट जाय, असो टेक्स्चर जाय, असो कलर जाय. आणि they are so good की म्हणजे from our memories here ते whatever.
We took many trials also of that dish.
Lot of revision. Finally
improvements. Finally when we were convinced with one dish.
I think last day आम्ही तो add केला. We were not supposed to.
We were not very sure until the last day he dish is going to the menu or not, because it was still very dicey की ती जातली perfect जावपाना, because just from our यादीन ती reconstruct करप. And it's a very special dish, very close to our hearts right from college days when we were dating. Then because it was golden in color, like yellowish in color, and with a molten cream, cream based asta, and we named it Golden Melt.
Oh wow. So जेन्ना काय बरेचें नांव डिसायड जातालें तेन्ना how did you all come down to that selecting that name? Like काय बरें, it just sounds so good, and then what was the thought behind it?
So
the name was
first strike जाता म्हणटा पळय ते अशें तकलेन आयिल्लें काय बरें, आनी इट वॉज येतगीर अशें कितें फायनल जावना आनी नांव आयलें लेट्स कीप दीस. बट हे नांव आयलें आमी डिस्कस केलें, एंड देन वी वर ऑल्सो डिस्कसींग की आनी कितें करपाक शकता.
There were a lot of other options. We wanted to keep a name which does not म्हणजे एक specific cuisine कडेन connect जायना, which is very generic. Or first we started off with pan Asian names की pan Asian restaurant खातीर नांवां कितें बरी आसतली.
But this is a noun that basically grows on you म्हणजे with time.
Yeah.
So काय बरें फर्स्ट चिंततना अशें मातशें ओके, बट देन वी डिस्कस विथ आवर फॅमिली.
आमी बरोवन पळयलें,
आमी बरोवन पळयलें, आमी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स आमचे आशिल्ले तांकां सांगलें,
तांकां विचारलें. वी एक्चुअली टूक अ पोल अशें फ्रेंड्सांक बी धाडून आनी सांगून बी न्ही की फोटो धाडून की यू जस्ट सी दीस अँड रीड इट. अशें we wanted to see ki how people are reading that name. Is it being read as bore? Is it being read as bore?
So the each and me accent. There are a lot of iterations in the name also. But everyone told us ki na jitlo time vata pay titla that now is basically growing. Kai bore na go for this name.
It just same thing feels so close to your heart, right?
Exactly.
So,
आणि the meaning also आमी कोंकणीन खूबदां म्हणटात पळय, अरे काय बरें, हें काय बरें. सो इट इज व्हेरी, this expression comes very intuitively to Goans की कशें काय बरें म्हणून.
So having said that, तुमचें नांवूय खूब जेनेरीक आसा, आनी you all said that the dishes that are being made here are very close to that suits the palate of Goans and people nearby. So how is this restaurant or the dishes or whatever is there served on your menu is contributing to the local growth?
कितें आसा की एक ऑथेंटिसिटी जी आसता पळय, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कांट लायक वी आर नॉट फ्रॉम हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट बॅकग्राउंड और वी आर नॉट कुक्स आवर सेल्फ, सो वी कांट सिम्पली फेक दॅट. सो दॅट हॅज टू बी ऑथेंटीक. जर आमी म्हणटा जाल्यार वॉट आर वी आर बेसिकली फुडीज. वी अंडरस्टँड टेस्ट. अंडरस्टँड म्हणच्या परस वी हॅव ट्रायड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वी अंडरस्टँड म्हणजे कितें आवडटलें लोकांक, कितें आवडटा. सो फ्रॉम दॅट वी हॅव डेवलप्ड. सो कशें लोकल हे बेनिफीट करता म्हणल्यार आय थिंक लोकल्स आमचे कडेन एम्प्लॉयड आसा इन दीस रेस्टॉरंट. इन टर्म्स ऑफ लोकल डिशीज प्रमोट करपा खातीर नाव देर इज श्रावण कमिंग अप. सो आमचे जे सारस्वत कुझीन आसा, वी वॉन्ट टू ब्रिंग आउट द बेस्ट अँड ब्रिंग आउट अ श्रावण थाली that will bring out local flavors. जो local भाज्यो आमच्यो श्रावणान ग्रो जाता.
श्रावणाच्यो आमच्यो स्पेशल भाज्यो आसात, लायक आळू for example,
Correct.
हय
which is typically cooked in samke Saraswat homes in a very typical preparation asta taka, because it so we want to bring that so that people come and try, give that local touch to it, or Goan touch to it.
करेक्ट बट पर से आमी तशे कितें फॅन्सी चड म्हणजे हें करूना म्हणजे वी आर नॉट सेयिंग की वी आर ब्रिंगींग आउट अ गोवन डिश टेकिंग इट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल बिकॉज दॅट इज नॉट ट्रू आनी बेस्टेच
We are not experimenting with the Goan dishes like Ajay hadle, fusion kele. That is not what we are doing here.
Yeah. And with that, how does a day at Kai Bore look like for both of you all? How do you all manage it?
So I would say he's the back end. When people ask me, customers eta nahi sarta Dinraj na go, he's always in the kitchen. How tanga sangta Dinraj is in the kitchen and I'm the front end here. So talking in terms of
सो डे एट काय बरें म्हणल्यार आमचो डे एट काय बरें डज नॉट स्टार्ट एट द रेस्टॉरंट घरा स्टार्ट जाता रायट फ्रॉम सकाळी आर डॉटर जिजार ताका उठोवन खावन स्कुलान धाड मागीर वी हॅव टू मेक शुअर की सगळें नुस्तें जें आसा ऑर्डर्स जे आसा ते टायम टू टायम पावता व्हेजिटेबल्स
so all that even before we reach the restaurant सगळे purchases पावल्यात काय ना, we have delivery systems put in place. सगळे पावला काय ना, नुस्तें फ्रेश आयला येवना, गरज पडलेल्या मार्केटान वच चेक करून घेवपाचें, ऑल दॅट. मागीर वन्स वी आर इन द रेस्टॉरंट मागीर बाकीचें. सो ही इज मॅनेजींग द किचन की क्रावड चड जालो, खंयची ऑर्डर पयली वचपाक जाय, कितें.
So because I have
Since he's
experience
done
worked in tiffin factory
and also your MBA learnings.
okay, so now because I know how kitchen works, because tiffin factory also we do lot number of orders in a day, so and there also time is the essence, so I know how to handle a busy kitchen. So load वाढलो जाल्यार I am in the kitchen and Saili is with the guests and she is very good at it. I mean there are a lot of guests जे येता स्पेशली सायलीक सोदता, अरे सायली आसा ना,
सायली recommendations.
I was waiting for you. And she is very good at that. So that's how our roles basically are split.
So I look at the PR part mostly.
Yeah.
He is
So
looking at the back end side, so purchasing,
kitchen,
accounts,
purchases,
finances.
accounts, finances.
And there is a lot of overlap which we both, which is social media करपाक जाय, or what to promote, what events to hold, कितें promotions, offers run करपाचे. That is ते मागीर आमचे
brainstorming
that
with
is our
social media manager
brainstorming.
and everything.
So through the day, we interact with each other in different roles, as parents, as business partners, as normal life partners, as fitness enthusiasts. म्हणजे अशें डायट कितें प्लॅन करपाक जाय जाल्यार
कितें रांदप,
कितें खावप. So as husband wife आमचे इंटरेक्शन आसता, as parents आसता, as business partners आसता. So our
roles switch
करत रावप.
आणि जशें तुमी आतां म्हणलें की यू ट्राय टू इंटरॅक्ट विथ द कस्टमर्स, सो एट काय बरें वॉट इज द बेस्ट रिव्यू दॅट यू ऑल हॅव गॉट सो फार?
सो ऑफकोर्स फ्रेंड्स आनी फॅमिली कडल्यान रिव्यूज मेळ्ळ्यात ते जालेच. आय एम सामकें बरें दिसता वेन people who are not known to us, म्हणजे who have come for the first time, just give a candid review. Because that is true and they are not saying it to तुमकां बरें दिसपा खातीर.
कालूच सो एक टेबलाची ऑर्डर मातशी लेट गेल्ली, सो आफ्टर दॅट आय वेंट टू द टेबल टू अपोलोजायज, सॉरी फॉर कीपिंग यू वेटिंग. आणि सिंपल वन लायनर सॅटिस्फाईंग रिव्यू, इट वॉज वर्थ द वेट, एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड द फूड. सो as simple as that, it really boosts you up.
Yeah. So with all this, how do you all manage keeping a track of your customers who keep coming back, and what do you all do to make sure that your customers keep coming back to you all?
So basic funda, भायर जेवपाक वता आमी कितें एक्सपेक्ट करता, तुमकां जेवण बरें मेळचें, सर्वीस बरी मेळची, आनीक एम्बियन्स बरो आसचो. सो दीज आर आय थिंक चड ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट करनासतना वी ट्राय टू सिम्प्लिफाय,
स्टिक टू द बेसिक्स. की आज आयले तांचो द ओवरऑल एक्सपिरियन्स एंड टू एंड हॅज बीन गुड टू एन्श्योर दॅट somebody leaves this place with a smile, even जर कितें वयर सकयल जालें, we ensure that
because
we do the
मिस्टेक्स ह्यो जाता आनी कस्टमर्स
mistakes जाता.
दे डोंट एक्सपेक्ट की बाबा सगळे हे जातले मिस्टेक्स जाल्यार सुद्दां ओके यू टू गो बी कॅन्डिड मिस्टेक जाली दे वॉन्ट इन्स्टंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन बेसिकली मिस्टेक जाली अशें कित्याक जालें ओके तुवें सांगलें बाबा पुता दे आर मोर देन हॅपी मागीर अशें न्ही की
आणि फर्स्ट थिंग इज एक्सेप्ट करप मिस्टेक
Accept
जाली
करप.
एक्सेप्ट केलें ओके जाली मिस्टेक नॉट टू गिव अ लॉंग जस्टिफिकेशन एक्सेप्ट केलें आणि सेकंडली अनदर थिंग वी आर नाव फिगरिंग आउट सो दॅट पीपल कीप कमिंग बॅक टू अस इज फिगरिंग आउट अ वे फॉर अ लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम.
So that is something that we
That
are in
is
talks with.
in
So
pipeline.
technically, म्हणजे how to get people back, how to keep them engaged,
So
communication.
somebody who
दवरपाक.
has been visiting frequently, how we can reward loyal customers.
So that we are
Somebody
in
who
talks.
is celebrating their birthdays or anniversaries with us. Tanka kashe,
Yeah.
you know, what exclusive promotions we can offer to them. Offers.
Okay. So with all this, we are going to play a fun round with you all, fun and food round.
Okay.
So what? Okay, any one of you all can answer.
Okay.
So what is that one word that describes Kai Bore?
Love. Love.
Okay. And what is that one favorite dish of yours that is there on the menu?
My favorite dish would be the golden melt.
Yeah, mine is chicken pataya.
Okay. And if I tell her to choose, what is more fun now? Was it engineering or was it food?
Food, obviously.
Okay. And among y'all, who is the head chef at home? Okay. And what is that one dish that defines your love story?
Interesting.
So I think our love story cannot be put into a single dish because it's
Maybe a thali. A mix of
it's
everything.
It's a thali. Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
And any bizarre food experiment that you all have done at home?
I think lots. They didn't start up as bizarre but ended up as bizarre.
Okay. And if I ask you all, what is the, okay, Dinraj, you can answer this.
Okay.
So what is that one word that Siley keeps using in the kitchen?
Dinraj.
Okay. If Kai Bore Journey was a movie, then what would the name of that movie be?
I don't know.
Sang. Rapid fire.
Band Baja Bara.
Okay.
So that was the first movie we had
We
watched
actually-
together, and then I just remembered कि they met and they got into a business together, and
Food
he
business,
finally
catering.
no शादी. Yeah.
Any song that
Okay.
plays in your mind when you both are cooking?
सध्या मुगो it is my right now म्हणजे the song keeps changing, but right now
Okay.
we are playing म्हणजे राजन प्रेमा का एक सौरव.
Sorrow, that Suzlago, Mugalago, that is part of our playlist at
So-
Kai Bore. So these songs keep playing in our head also.
हाँ,
So you both are authentically Goan at heart.
definitely.
Yes.
So with that, I would want to ask, what are your future plans of expanding Kai Bore or restaurant or business?
So like
Plans तर
intuitively.
खूप असा.
So at Kai Bore also we are not done yet. I mean, we want to bring out a lot more than what we are doing today. सगळ्याच आता डिस्कस ओपन अप करपा नाका. But जशें like we always somehow back of the mind we knew की someday we will start a restaurant. तशें म्हजें और आमचें एक तकलेन आसा की because we have lived in Bangalore in a different city की एक Goan restaurant to start in Bangalore someday hopefully.
Yes, someday.
Yeah. And we wish may all your dreams come true. And it was really great interacting with you. We had a very fun-filled time, and we all look forward to coming to Kai Bore. So, any advice or any message that you want to give to your customers?
Yes, firstly, thank you very much. Like
Hi.
we also had a lot
Initially
of
we
fun.
were a little hesitant की आम्ही कॅमेरा कॉन्शियस जातली कितें सांगतली म्हणजे but it was very
Yeah,
smooth
you
अशें दिसलें
made us very comfortable. So
Yes,
thank
it-
you for that. And to our customers, they have supported us a lot in the first 2 months. We hope to get your continued support. अशेंच आमकां खूब मोग दियात. आणि जे येवना अजून ती येयात मुद्दम ट्राय करता आमचें जेवण, आमकां फीडबॅक दियार. वी आर ओपन टू फीडबॅक ऑलवेज. आनी वी होप की तुमी खावन मागीर म्हणटली वाह काय बरें.
काय बरें.
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us today. So I hope all our viewers will definitely come to Kai Bare and keep supporting Kai Bare. Keep watching Palashagni Studios. Thank you.